Hey everybody, it's Nicole. So, I'm sorry it took me so long, but I am going to be picking out my winner for my New Year's giveaway. So if you recall, this was a scavenger hunt, and you need to have entered in all of the answers to the questions that I gave to you. I know some of you only listed them, so I took them anyway, although it's preferable that you enter it in as some sort of story or whatever, because that way you don't make it quite so easy for people maybe who don't do all of the work that you might do. So anyhow, that's neither here nor there. I'll go over the questions along with the answers. So first was what or where or what company was the pattern book that is included? Where is it from? What company is it? It is Nitpicks. Next, the crochet hook that I'm including. It's a red metal streamline hook from Furls, and I asked what size it was. And it is a size I, or 5.5, 5.5 millimeter. I would accept any of those answers. Red metal streamline size I, red metal streamline 5.5 millimeter, anything like that. That works for me. Next, the yarn that I'm including, and it's a whole package. I think there's like maybe, I don't know, 12 skeins of it. It's a pretty decent amount of yarn, and it's Furl's brand Wander yarn. And I asked what color it was, and the color is called camel. Although if you ask me, it does not look like camel, but what do I know? I've never seen a camel. Next, what kind of animal is on the reusable bag that I brought back home from my trip from Japan that will be included on the prize pack? Now, don't forget, this is not the only prizes that I have for you guys from Japan. Yeah, life has gotten in the way of me doing some of the fun things that I want to do with the prizes. So, anyway, that's me. Anyway, the answer to that is cats. I would have taken cats, kitties, kittens, um, any sort of variation on that, that would have worked for me. And then you get a animal on a keychain, and that was baby sloth. So I would have taken baby sloth or a sloth. So any variation on that would have been fine with me. I'm pretty easy when it comes to that, as far as the answers, as long as and I know where it is. And then the last one, a stone is included as far as like a sensory prize. Um, it's for grounding, stuff like that. Especially for people who have anxiety, this tends to help for grounding purposes. But it has something on it, and it's called something specific. What was it called? And it is called a pocket hug. So those are the questions and the answers. So you would have had to put in all the answers to all of those questions in some sort of variation in order to get an entry in to the giveaway. So what I did was I found one of those giveaway wheels, and I first off, I liked and hearted your entry if everything that I had asked was answered. If you missed one or two or three, or it was just completely wrong, sorry, I didn't include you. But don't worry, you guys know I like to do giveaways, even though I say I want to stop. I usually give in because I just have so much fun. But there will be more giveaways. And so I've written your name down, and then your name will go on the spinny wheel, which I'm going to be doing here shortly. So everybody cross their fingers for those of you who have entered, and then you will get all the prizes that I showed you in all of those videos, and then you will also get a custom resin piece. And so your choices as far as the molds go is you can choose this big circle mold, and you can choose up to 3 colors. You can choose the flower mold that I use a lot, or you can use the pill mold, the trinket tray mold. Those are the 3 that you get a choice from. So keep that in mind as I get ready to spin for the winner, so that when you send your information in along with what colors ish that you would like, you and I can work together on seeing. Usually I have pretty close to what you may want. I have a lot of colors. So we can work on whatever it is. And then the other thing is you can choose to do a 3D bloom. The 3D blooms tend to work best in the round mold and in the flower mold. And then you can do fireworks. Those work in any one of those. And then I am also willing to do like the white edge also, where it's kind of a lacy edge. So there's that as well. So like the white edge is I'll give you kind of an idea of what I'm talking about. So it's like this like nice white elegant edge. So again, keep that in mind when I get ready to pull for the winner. So I'm gonna hit pause, flip the camera around so we can take a look at my computer, and then we will go ahead and pick the winner. Okay, so this is the giveaway wheel that I found. And I just entered everybody's screen names in. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to shuffle the names so that it's not, in any particular way. And I don't know how many times I hit. Was that like 5 times? We'll do 2 more times just for good measure. All right. So now I am, let's hide that so that you can see that a little bit better. Now we are going to click to spin. Everybody, good luck. Oh, and before I forget, send me, so if you win, like I said, think about which mold you like, and then second, the colors you want to do, what design you want to do, all of that information along with your first last name, even if I've sent stuff to you, along with your address, needs to go to fibrojyarn@yahoo.com. And then once I get everything, and I will give you until next week Monday, which is the 13th, to respond back, although you guys are really good about getting back, and then we'll go from there. Okay, and good luck. And congratulations, Sally. So you have won the giveaway prize pack, and I actually have your other giveaway prize. So what I'm gonna do is I will hold on to that because I was actually gonna send that out. I think I was gonna send that out within the next couple of days. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold on to it until I hear back from you. And once I get the resin stuff poured, if you want to see me pour your resin stuff poured on the live, get back to me as soon as you can. And then we can do it that way too. But if you don't care either way, that's fine with me. Again, send all your stuff to fibrojyarn@yahoo.com, although I don't need your information because I have that already. Let me know which mold you'd like, the flower one, the circle one, or the pill mold, the up to three colors that you'd like, and what design you'd like. Would you like 3D bloom? And keep in mind, the blooms tend to work better in that flower mold or the circle mold. Fireworks, that works in anything. And then what else? Oh, and then I can do the lace. Lace tends to work better in the circle, and the flower better in the flower than the circle. So again, reach out to me with all the stuff that I need to know so that we can get going on it. And congratulations and thanks everybody else for entering. I am going to be announcing another giveaway soon, possibly within the next couple of weeks. And I know I have a replay giveaway that I'm going to be drawing for here in a little bit, which I will be dropping the video for it in a little while as well. So if you entered in that one, you have a chance to win some yarn that way. I have some more yarn that I'm going to be giving away. I'm going to be destashing a lot of my yarn, so keep an eye out. I want to do some raffle prizes too. Yeah, and some giveaway prizes. Some of it is from Japan. So anyway, thanks to everybody who entered. Appreciate you. And oh, and don't forget, I'll probably have a resin sale, probably not this month, just because everything's been so abbreviated for April, but definitely for May. So anyhow, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.